NigerFlavor.com.
Can you just imagine? It's like...
Hello guys, it's your girl Ada and you're welcome to my channel. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave your comments below. And today we are going to DIY our oatmeal face mask, which is very good for your skin. It's going to exfoliate your skin. It will unclog the pores. Oatmeal has amino acid which can lighten mask, skin discoloration and dark spots. Oatmeal is well known for its salting and softening properties. And the other ingredient you're going to add to it is going to be milk. We all know that milk has lactic acid which helps to exfoliate the skin. And we are going to start by blending the oatmeal. Let's make it in the powder form. Okay, this is it guys, in a powder form. And the next thing we are going to add is our milk. A little. And now we are going to mix well. Milk is very good to exfoliate the skin. It will leave your skin feeling so soft and moisturized. And now you're going to add a pinch of cinnamon powder to it. You can add honey to it if you want to add honey to it. Honey is also good to moisturize the skin and softens the skin. And guys, if you're going to be adding milk to it, normal, you don't need to use the fat milk. So you're going to use a 0% milk. Okay, our oatmeal face mask is ready and I'm going to show you how I applied it on my face. Hey guys, this has been sitting on my face for 30 minutes now and I'm going to wash it off with cold water. I've been doing this for 2 months and I do it every 3 times in a week, and it's very good for my skin. It makes my skin feel soft and make my skin look bright. Okay guys, see you on my next video where I will make turmeric face mask, which is also good for the skin. I love you all. Feel free to leave your comments. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me how you make yours as well. We are all learning. Love you all.